Hi everyone, this is Lee. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you want to see videos about game development and programming, please consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell, then you won't miss my next episode. If you follow the channel, you know I've been learning Unity and making the game from 2019. I also share what I have learned with you guys by uploading a weekly video. This week, I decided to publish the Steam page for my turn-based strategy game, Dungeon Slayer. One of the reasons is that I would like to show the game to more people and get more feedback. During the game development, I find it is essential to get input from the community, especially some players who like turn-based strategy game. By putting it on Steam, I think there is more chance to achieve this goal. At the moment, I already got some playable levels for an internal playtest. If you're interested in this game, you can get the playable version from my Discord server. I also receive a lot of feedback from the members on my Discord server. I appreciate every comment. If you are working as a solo game developer like me, I would suggest you start self-marketing as early as possible. Another reason is that I would like to show people that I'm serious about this game. I don't know if the game will be popular or not. I don't think anyone can answer this question anyway. Even some AAA game development companies cannot guarantee the game they create will be popular or commercially successful. So it doesn't bother me too much. At least I'm willing to take it as a commitment and aiming for the final delivery. I'm pretty sure I will make a lot of mistakes. That's why I made all these videos to share with you guys. Then you can see things work for me. I hope you can get some ideas to avoid these mistakes. Also, I will share some best practice I learned and hope they can save you some time. One of the lessons I learned so far is that we cannot make a perfect game. Game development can be endless if you don't accept this fact. Once I learn some new technical skills or design skills, I can improve the existing game system and make it better. The downside is that I keep replacing the features with new technologies, which will slow down the game development process. Now I can understand why it is so challenging to finish a game, because many of us spend a lot of time to try to make a perfect game, which doesn't exist at all. It is not wrong to try to improve the game, but it is always important to set the deadline for the project. If you have checked the Steam page, you have noticed that I have decided to work with the publisher Creative Forge Games. As a solo game developer, I have a lot of control over the game development. I don't need to communicate with any other people if I need to make any changes, but I'm not that familiar with the marketing and selling games. I'm lucky to get contacted by some publishers before. The main reason I go with Creative Forge Games is that I like the game they created. Now the company is also known as a game publisher. If you watch my video for a while, you will notice that sometimes I use the gameplay footage in my video. The game is called Hard West, which is created by Creative Forge Game Studios. I like some game mechanics they put into the turn-based strategy games, like the luck system, to replace the random chance, so I can say goodbye to face-to-face missing. Another reason that I like to work with Creative Forge Games is that I believe they can help me to make a better game, rather than selling the game only. Because they have a lot of experience in making turn-based strategy games, I believe the feedback from CFG would be very constructive for me to speed up the development process. If you want to see more strategy games published by Creative Forge Games, you can check their Facebook for more information. I know some excellent games that will be released this year. Will you publish the game yourself or through a publisher? Please leave a comment and let me know. You can check the Dungeon Slayer Steam page from the link in the description. I'm willing to hear feedback from you. If you want to support me a bit more, please consider adding it to the wish list. It will motivate me a lot to keep working on the game and making more videos. If you want to join the internal test or have one-on-one chat about the game, please feel free to join my Discord server. You can also share your work there and getting feedback from other game developer or gamer. Currently, there are over 140 members. I hope to see you there. Publishing the Steam page is not the end. I treat it as a brand new start of the next phase. I'm excited and nervous at the same time. I already got a lot of support from the game development community. A lot of people encouraging me to finish it as a commercial game. I really appreciate your kind words and support. That's why I have the guts today to put the game on the Steam. I will keep working on the game and hope I can still have your support in the future. In the next video, I will share some tips I learned to set up a Steam page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Then you will get notified when I upload the new videos. Thanks for watching. This is Lee. I will see you next time.